We are in the Chevelle area of Street Side Classics. $85,000 for this car. Cowl induction. Beautiful mint, unbelievable car. These are my favorite ones, 66, 67. This car is probably 80 something thousand. 7,995. I'm right on the money on that. We'll see what this one is. Purple, like the color. This one is 47,000. I wonder why it's different. Probably SS254 Tribute. Hood's not open, so I'm sure the motor's not as clean as everything else. Interior mint. 4 on the floor. Beautiful car. Want to get yourself into a custom Chevelle for 40 grand? Street Side Classics, Concord, North Carolina. We got some fire chickens over here. More Chevys, Chevelles. My friend Russell used to have a car like this. Wasn't a turbo. Pretty cool car. And we got the C10. What year is this bad boys? 1968. Same as mine. How much for this one? 54,000. Probably got a big motor in it. Let's see. What do we got? Can't even read it. 350? Not sure. Look at all of these beautiful cars. Millions of dollars worth of cars inside of this place. Nice El Camino. Range Rover. 6.1 Hemi SRT. 570. SMS, whatever that means. Challenger SMS 570, 44,000. Nice old Chevy, square body. Silverado, 87. 51,995. 52,000 for this truck. I think that's a little bit extreme. Some beautiful vehicles here. Oh, there's an old Monte Carlo. I used to have one of these bad boys. Those doors are heavy. You don't want to get your freaking foot or something caught in that door. Look how long this door is. Very heavy door. What do we got in there? Air conditioned. Probably got a 305 in it, maybe a 350. Cool cars. Street Side Classics. Concord, North Carolina. Like, subscribe. Check us out. We get a lot of views. We need some more subscribers. Let's get to 500. All right, everybody. God bless. Have a great day.